But you may have noticed online a disturbing trend, more and more people actually trying to spread fear during this pandemic. 25 News reporter Jack Ryan has more.
It's a disturbing trend being seen around the nation. People on social media faking symptoms of COVID-19 in an attempt to scare the people around them.
People going into grocery stores and purposely coughing on them, saying, oh yes, I have COVID-19 and I'm out and about doing all this thing.
A couple weeks ago, a grocery store in Pennsylvania had to throw out $35,000 in food after a customer acted like she was coughing on it. Earlier this week, a Dallas teenager was arrested for claiming to intentionally spread COVID-19. The McLennan County Emergency Operations Center says they've noticed a spike in this type of prank here in Central Texas as well.
I don't see it as funny or something that should be joked about. We're taking all these serious measures to shelter in place and shutting down our normal lives.
Today, the EOC drafted a statement saying those actions are considered criminal conduct, and if officers catch you in the act or on social media, you could be charged with terroristic threat, harassment, and violation of the emergency management plan. The penalty? Fines up to $2,000 and up to 180 days in jail.
As a community, this is where we really have to come together to take a stand on, this is not what we're going to accept here in our community, and that we need to look for other things, and we need to this is a community thing that we are going through.
The EOC says they hope this statement will help stop these pranks in Central Texas and help produce some calm in the middle of this pandemic. In Waco, Jack Allen, 25 News.
Thank you, Jack Allen. Again, EOC members are urging everyone to report any pranks.